Hello viewers, welcome to the video. Today I will try sending some USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. Let's get in Binance. Sorry, we have to copy the wallet address first in Trust Wallet. So let's get in Trust Wallet. So as you can see, I have a number of coins here, and USDT is also here. As you can see, it is ERC20 chain, but I'm not going to use this chain, so I'll look for USDT BEP20 chain, and hopefully this one is it. Yep, as you can see, it is USDT BEP20 chain. So I'll copy the address. As I want to receive payment, I will click on receive and copy the address. Address copied. Let's go back to Binance. In the wallet section, funding wallet, I have zero balance. I have the money in my spot wallet, so I'll try sending some USDT from here. Let's click on withdraw. Send via crypto network. Paste the address. Paste. As the network has not been selected automatically, you have to select the network. As you can see, the BEP20 chain is the first one. I'll select it and confirm. There is a minimum amount, so I have to send at least 10 USDT. I will type in 10, a bit more than 10. Let's type 12. So I'll send it from a spot wallet, and everything looks okay. Let's click on withdraw. Everything seems okay. Network fee is almost 29 cents. So okay, confirm it. I have to put all the security verification. Coming back after putting all my security codes. So I have put all my security codes and the withdrawal is processing. Let's view the history. As you can see, the withdrawal is processing. It should be complete within 5 minutes. Let's wait. Let's refresh the page. Okay, 4 out of 15 completed. It's working. Hopefully it will arrive soon. Then I'll show you my balance. Okay, it's fast, working very fast. 10 out of 15 complete, and I think it has not been 2 minutes yet. Maybe I have already received the payment, but waiting for the process to complete. Okay, 20 out of 15. How is that possible? Don't know, but it's showing 20 out of 15. It should be complete within a few moments now. Yep, the process is complete. Let's go to, and I have already received the email from Binance of the withdrawal request. Let's go to Trust Wallet, see if we have received the payment. Let's refresh the page. Yep, that's it. It's almost $12. So the transaction successful, and I have few BNB, few USDT, few AMF. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.